Hey everyone, have you ever put your car in gear but nothing happens? Or maybe your transmission is acting up, causing rough shifts or warning lights? If you've scanned your vehicle and found P0813 Reverse Output Circuit malfunction, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll explain what P0813 means, the symptoms, and most importantly, the exact locations of the sensors and components you need to check to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0813? The P0813 trouble code occurs when the Transmission Control Module, TCM, detects a fault in the reverse output circuit. This system is responsible for controlling reverse gear engagement and ensuring smooth shifting. Common symptoms of P0813: reverse gear not engaging harsh or delayed shifting when selecting reverse check engine light, CL, or transmission warning light slipping or erratic shifting. If you're experiencing these problems, let's locate the key components to diagnose and fix this issue. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To properly diagnose P0813, you need to check these critical components. Reverse output switch, reverse light switch. Location, usually found on the side of the transmission near the shift linkage. Function, detects when reverse gear is engaged and sends a signal to the TCM. Transmission range sensor, TRS, location, attached to the transmission housing or inside the valve body, depending on the vehicle. Function, monitors the current gear position and communicates with the TCM. Transmission Control Module, TCM, location, mounted near the transmission under the hood or inside the cabin near the dashboard. Function, controls gear shifting and ensures smooth operation of reverse gear. Engine Control Module, ECM, location, usually found near the firewall, inside the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function, works alongside the TCM to ensure proper gear engagement. Wiring and connectors location, runs between the reverse output switch, TRS, TCM, and ECM. Function, transfers electrical signals. Damaged wiring can cause incorrect readings or prevent communication. Common causes of P0813: faulty reverse output switch. A malfunctioning switch can prevent the TCM from detecting when reverse is engaged. 2. Defective transmission range sensor, TRS, sends incorrect gear position data, causing shifting issues. 3. Damaged wiring or corroded connectors. Short circuits or loose connections can disrupt communication. 4. Low or contaminated transmission fluid, affects hydraulic pressure, leading to shifting problems. 5. Failed transmission control module, TCM. If the TCM isn't working correctly, it won't engage reverse properly. 6. Faulty ECM. If the ECM fails to communicate with the TCM, shifting problems may occur. How to fix P0813? Step 1. Check the reverse output switch. Use a multimeter to test for voltage and replace if faulty. Step 2. Inspect the transmission range sensor. Ensure it correctly reads the gear position. Step 3. Check transmission fluid levels. Dirty or low fluid can cause gear engagement issues. Step 4. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for frayed wires or loose connections. Step 5. Test the transmission control module. Scan for additional codes that may indicate failure. Step 6. Reset the code and test drive. Clear the P0813 code and verify that the issue is resolved. Final words: a P0813 error in the reverse output circuit can cause serious shifting problems, making reverse gear unusable. By checking the reverse output switch, TRS, fluid levels, ECM, TCM, and wiring, you can diagnose and fix this issue properly. Watch these related videos next. P0492 Secondary Air Injection System Circuit High, P0493 Secondary Air Injection System Circuit Low. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car diagnostics.